Hello lovely students, welcome back to English with Aslam. This is a word of the day. Yes, I am going to teach you a word which is perfunctory. Yeah, I have just started this series and today is the day one. So here I am. What it means. Perfunctory is used to describe something that is done without energy or enthusiasm, or done in a careless or superficial manner. Clearly exhausted after a long day on her feet, our server gave us only a perfunctory greeting before taking our drink orders. Used in context. In those days, we offered a pickup and delivery service for bike repairs. Usually, the transaction was perfunctory, but not with Sam. He used to open the door to his house and invite us to come inside for a coffee or soda. Now it's your turn, guys. Let me know in comment below how you are gonna use this word. So yeah, it was just a small content for today. I hope you enjoyed this session, guys. And yeah, this is me saying keep practicing, keep learning and keep growing, guys. And one thing, please subscribe this channel and help me grow with subscriber. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. I will see you in next lesson. See ya.